In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HubSpot tracking code to your website and fix attribution in just 5 minutes. Now this might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through each step with clarity and precision, making sure you understand exactly what to do and why it's important. First, we need to head over to the HubSpot homepage. You can simply type HubSpot into your browser, and it should be one of the first results you see. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice the login button typically located in the upper right corner. Go ahead and click that. After logging into your HubSpot account, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home. This is your central dashboard where you access all your HubSpot tools. From here, look for the settings option. It's often represented by a little gear icon. Clicking on this will take you into the back end where all the magic happens. Now in the settings area, you're going to want to find the tracking and analytics section. This is key because it's where you'll find anything related to tracking your website's analytics, including the attribution setup. Think of this as the heart of your data tracking operation. Once you're in the tracking and analytics section, you'll see an option for tracking code. Click on it. This is where HubSpot provides you with a small piece of code that you need to integrate into your website. This code is crucial because it's how HubSpot keeps track of all the visitors to your site and their interactions, providing you with detailed analytics for data-driven decisions. After clicking tracking code, you'll be presented with the actual code you need to add to your website. You should see a copy button right next to this code. Click it, this copies the entire piece of code so you can easily paste it into your website's backend. A quick tip here, if you're not familiar with editing the backend of your website, it might be beneficial to collaborate with a web developer. They'll ensure it's added correctly without disrupting any other elements of your site. Once the code is added, HubSpot will begin tracking visits, interactions, and more, giving you the comprehensive overview needed for accurate attribution and analytics. And there you have it, a straightforward process to add HubSpot tracking to your website. By following these steps, you're ensuring your site is fully equipped for precision in online tracking and attribution, allowing you to make informed decisions that can positively impact your business strategy. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching and happy tracking.